Okay, dude, would you rather have $30 million or 30 million loyal friends? Easy, 30 million loyal friends. Why? I just ask each of them to give me $5 and they're loyal, so they'll give it to me. Then I'll have 150 million at that point. Oh. Then I'd run for president. Boom, 30 million votes already. Good point. Then I would start a business like a chocolate factory or something, because I already have 30 million customers. You've really thought about this, haven't you? Then sell the chocolate at $1 each, and ask my loyal friends to buy one piece of chocolate every day. That's $30 million a day. Oh my god.